I have wonderful news, everyone.
What is it, dear?
Where are we going, mademoiselle?
We're going to Mario's Pizza tonight.
Really? Mario's? Yes, yes, yes! Can we go right now?
Soon, Tom. Very soon.
Oh, that's wonderful. No cooking tonight. I'm so relieved, honestly.
The whole family will enjoy it together.
Can I get the big pizza?
Of course you can, buddy.
Everything we ever wanted, right here.
Yes. I couldn't be happier.
Everyone will be so happy.
Let's make this a special evening.
Maya? We're going to Mario's.
Maya, did you hear? Pizza night.
Yes. I heard. You don't sound excited, sweetheart. I'm fine. Just thinking. What are you thinking about? Nothing. Just things. I'm afraid the results confirm our initial concerns. What does this mean for us?
Is Maya going to be okay?
Well, everyone hurry and get ready.
We should leave in 30 minutes.
Maya, are you sure you're okay?
Yes, Dad. I'm okay.
All right, if you say so.
Children, please go prepare.
Wear something nice.
Where's my blue snack bag? I want to bring it. It's not here. Where could it be?
Did you check by the door?
Not yet. Let me see.
It's not there either.
Maya, have you seen my blue bag? No. Are you sure? Look carefully. I haven't seen it, Tom. That's strange. I had it this afternoon. Tom, we really must get ready now. But I want my snack bag.
We can find it when we return home.
That's not fair. Just a little bit. No one will notice.
One more handful won't hurt anyone. It's all gone. The whole bag is empty.
Tom will be so angry with me. Mom and Dad will be disappointed. I have to hide this. I have to lie. Mom.
Mom, I need to use the bathroom.
Quickly, dear. We need to leave soon.
I'll be very fast. Oh no, what have I done?
Is Maya still in there?
It seems so. We need to wait.
I'm hungry now. Can we go?
We need to wait for your sister.
The restaurant will get crowded.
Maya? Are you almost done?
Yes, Mom. Almost finished. I'll be out very soon. Is Maya still in there?
It seems so. This is unusual.
Uh-huh.
Did she eat anything unusual today?
Not that I know of. Her lunch was normal.
What did she have?
Just rice and vegetables. The usual.
Is Maya sick?
We don't know yet, Tom. I'm sorry. I'm ready now.
Are you feeling well, Maya?
Yes, I'm fine. Really. Actually,
I need to go back.
Just for a moment.
Again? Maya.
That's unusual, sweetheart.
I can't hold it anymore.
This is not normal behavior.
Did she eat anything unusual today?
Not that I know of.
Her lunch was normal.
What did he have? Something is definitely wrong here.
I'm sorry. I'm ready now.
Have you eaten anything different?
No, Dad. Nothing different.
We'll go to the restaurant now.
What are you hiding in your pocket? Nothing. Just a toy. It's nothing, Mom. Really.
I need you to trust us, Maya.
My bag. Where's my snack? I ate it, Tom.
You ate the whole thing?
I'm sorry. I was hungry and...
Why didn't you just ask?
I didn't want to bother you.
And why were you looking at it?
Because I was scared. I was scared Tom would hate me.
Maya, eating the snack isn't the worst part.
The problem was lying to us.
Honesty matters more than any food.
Lies make everything worse.
I know. I'm so sorry.
I didn't mean to lie. I was just afraid. I'm not angry about the snack anymore. I'm sorry, Tom. Really.
Oh,
Permigerd. My stomach hurts. It hurts a lot. Ow, my stomach really hurts.
Maya, honey, what's wrong?
Quick, let's get her to the hospital.
I'll make you some porridge, dear.
I'll sit with you, Maya.
Let's get this started. I want dinner to be perfect tonight.
I'm sorry I ruined our dinner. I'm sorry I ruined everything.
You didn't ruin anything, sweetheart. We're just worried about you.
I forgive you, Maya. I really do. I just want you to feel better. I'm just so glad we're all together now.
Me too, honey. Everything is gonna be okay.
I love you guys.
I thought you might all like some warm porridge.
Thank you, dear. It looks wonderful.
Oh my God. Maya.
Maya, wake up!
Dad!
Maya? Is Maya okay?
This is my fault. It's all my fault. I should have shared my snack with her. If I had just shared, none of this would happen.
Tom, this is not your fault.
We need to go to the hospital. Now!
Stay calm, everyone. We must hurry. We're 5 minutes away. Her breathing is shallow and she won't wake up. We need immediate assistance.
I'm sorry, I really am. I didn't mean for it to happen.
Just get in the car, Tom. We'll discuss this later. She's had a severe allergic reaction. The good news is, she's stable now.
she'll recover completely.
Thank goodness. Thank you, Doctor.
We were so frightened. Put it down. Come on.
It's important she rests today.
And she should avoid that food always.
Mom,
Dad?
where am I?
You're in the hospital, sweetheart. You had a bad allergic reaction.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for everything. I'm sorry for lying to you. I'm sorry for being greedy. I'm sorry I scared everyone.
We know you're sorry, Maya. And we forgive you completely.
Maya! You're awake.
I'm sorry too. I'm so sorry. Why are you sorry, Tom?
Because I kept the snack just for me. If I had shared with you, this wouldn't have happened.
No, Tom. This is my mistake, not yours.
I'm not angry anymore.
I was never really angry.
I just care about you. I love you.
I love you too, Tom. Thank you for forgiving me.
I shouldn't have let this happen. I'm so sorry.
It wasn't your fault, Tom.
I forgive you.
Everything is going to be all right. How are you feeling this morning, sweetie?
Much better now that you're all here.
We're just glad you're okay.
Today taught us all something important.
It wasn't just about the snack or the lie.
Maya learned that we must always tell the truth. Lying only makes problems worse.
And Tom learned that some things matter more than food.
A snack can be replaced, but family cannot. I understand that now.
Danielle, I recommend rest and healthy foods for 1 week.
Vegetables, fruits, fish, and plenty of water. Avoid snacks and processed foods.
I understand, Doctor. Can I eat vegetables with Maya? So she's not alone? So she's not alone?
That's a wonderful idea.
You would do that for me?
Of course. You're my sister.
We should share healthy foods together. Thank you, Tom. That means so much.
We're all learning and growing today. That's what families do.
From this day forward, we promise to listen and to be honest with each other.
I promise to always ask before eating. And I promise to never lie again.
And I promise to share with you, Maya.
Not just snacks. Everything. We didn't get our pizza dinner.
But we got something far better. We got honesty, health, and love.
That's worth more than any restaurant meal.
We're all together now.
Everything is going to be all right.
I feel so much better. I love my family so much.
I love you all too.
And we love each other. Always.
Always, no matter what.